Y'all, so today I got another F100 update. So I feel like I haven't been keeping y'all up to date with this truck. I'm sorry for the last video. I know it was a little iffy, it was a little spotty. I kind of filmed what I could and just put it together. But that's why I'm making this video, is to update y'all and let y'all know what's happening. So last time y'all saw this thing, the cab and the bed were put on. The cab was bolted down, the bed was not. So I've now bolted down both of them and they're on tight. The fenders are back on, or on, like actually bolted on. I got the wheel wells on and the hood on, and the dash is just sitting in there and the steering wheel is bolted on. So to get a closer look, steering wheel is good. I got brakes now, I added the brakes. The throttle's in. Steering actually works, so does the shifter. So I actually drove it out the other day. I drove it like 20 feet out into the driveway. It was pretty good. Good trip. Didn't last very long though. And the brakes work. I was able to stop the truck before it hit the Silverado. But wiring harness is a mess. So that needs to be redone. I did replace these screws, these set screws for the carburetor. They were both bent. Wasn't doing too hot. And when I replaced them, I went ahead and tuned up the carburetor, and it actually sounds really nice right now. I got all 8 cylinders firing, and that's good news. Other than that, wheel wells, as I said earlier, those are painted and in. So are the hood mounts and the hood. Hood's looking nice. The lights are in. And I think that's pretty much it for what I've done since then. But the main plan is to now take this truck to a master mechanic. I've organized everything. I got all the electronics in here and like the fan and like windshield wiper. So like the bigger electronics in there. This is more of like the wiring harness and dash components. So I've organized that for him. And what he's gonna do is go ahead and replace the wiring harness and put these headers on and fabricate an exhaust system. And hopefully, and he's gonna put a stereo and radio in. So hopefully it'll be 2 to 3 weeks. I'm hoping for 2 if we're lucky. And when we get it back, it should be in driving condition. It just might need a windshield or something. Actually, it does need a windshield. So I'll keep you all in the loop. When I get this thing back, I cannot wait to make another update on it. But in the upcoming videos, if you're wondering why it's gone, that is why, because it's out at the shop getting ready to ride. But that's pretty much it. Oh, wait. We're getting the seat reupholstered too, because there's a big hole where I want to drive. And if you subscribe, you get to see I got a KX 125 for free. It was given to me. And I'm trying to see if I can get it to run. The whole thing is in a bunch of parts right now, so that'll be pretty cool if I can get that running. But anyways, I'll keep y'all updated. Hopefully we get it back in 2 weeks. And that's it for now.